In this video I'm going to show you how to add a link to submit another response in Google Forms. So as you can see, I've created a quiz. Now the next step is to go to settings. Once you are there, then you will go to presentation. It is over here, the third one. And then you will go a little bit down and there you will find the show link to submit another response. You need to select that one, so activate it. Once you have done that, then we can publish it. Now, once you have published it, then you can check if it works. So what we will do, we will copy the link over here, and after that we will go to a new tab and here we will paste the Google Forms link. Now, once you are here, then we can answer the question. Let's say it is 2, then submit it. And as you can see, the submit another response link is now activated in our Google form. This is very useful if you want to let people answer the questions again. So this was my tutorial. Hopefully it was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in the next tutorial. Cheers guys!